Hi, good afternoon.
Now please begin your presentation.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. We are the Mapp. D of Mapp is from 3D disaster and defense. I'm Kichiro Shoya and Tamami Hada and Tsukaraki. This is our agenda. By the way, in Japan, we have lots of disaster. For example, earthquake, tsunami, and typhoon, and so on. For this disaster, what kind of things, what kind of countermeasure do you take? Or when it happens, what will you do? For example, social media is very convenient. We can get lots of information, but at the same time, it includes inaccurate information. Also, hazard map is very useful, but honestly, it's very hard to imagine how big, how seriously the damage is. So our solution is AI-based visualization tool for disaster damage. It's like the disaster prevention application for all people to solve the problems the existing hazard map and social media have. It has big advantage, for example, more realistic image in 3D. Also, it has much information in real time. Thanks to this application, people can raise their awareness for crisis. Also, people can precisely grasp the situation of disaster.
To create this mobile app, we use QGIS and Plato. QGIS is a platform that can display and analyze geological data. And Plato is a 3D data of all cities in Japan, and which is led by the Ministry of Land Infrastructure, Transport and Tourism. Combining these two, we created this 3D map. Please watch this video. You can see each actual buildings displayed in 3D. The function of this app changed in two different cases: emergency tab and regular usage. In emergency, it visualizes the damage situation in 3D, and also it displays information for evacuation. And in regular usage, users can see disaster prevention maps like this. It is classified the mapping level by different colors. And on each buildings in this map, it may appear pop-ups. If users push this pop-up, we can get more detailed information about this building, such as the damage situation photo or victim spots in time series. These information are extracted from social media by using AI.
Let us explain the good point of this application and from business perspective. And specifically, there are three reasons. First, demand for data transformation in world, and two, huge potential in the market for disaster prevention system, and three, impact of social media. So we will introduce the expected expansion of the market for disaster prevention system. In Japan, the market for disaster prevention system is expected to increase 1.4 4 times in 6 years, 2021 to 2027. And more, the entire global market in this expected to be 40 trillion yen in the world in 2030. Now let me introduce business model for expanding this attractive market. And please see this image and business model. In this business, you will see our team as a provider, the local government as a customers, and the citizens as the end users. Our team as developer will provide application as well as maintenance and operation required to run them. Our first sales destination will be local government, which will be able to digital transformation. In addition to receive money to pay for the operation of this application, we will also receive data on how citizens are using application, which we use to improve this application. The local government will be responsible for increase the number of people are using application by promoting this app and placing the download form on the local government website. We will leverage this business model to further increase profit by offering it to more local government. It seems inefficient to leave the position of service to local government and ours. However, since it is a public sector that actually carries out rescue and evacuation activities in the event of a disaster, it is more effective to have local government involved in this operation of this application for smoother information sharing. So this is our team members. Thank you for listening.